weather is getting cold, cold inside.
You know what? So guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome guys. If you are new here, subscribe down below, like this video, and I do dance tutorials for you guys in case you want to dance. And other dance challenges on my short videos for you to dance and see me dancing them. So you can go and check it out. Probably this tutorial application, you can check it out on my short video. It's be there for you guys. Now let's dance right into my screen. So now the first step in this challenge is tell me the reason why you push forward to the side, up, down. Tell me the reason why. Tell me the reason why. That's the first step, guys. In case you're not flamboyant, well, quick enough to raise your hand like this, because me sometimes I do not raise my hands up. I just tell me the reason why. Because I don't like too much stress. I like to feel the flow. Dancing is for fun, guys. Dancing is for fun. You don't have to complicate issues. Just dance, guys. Just tell me the reason why. That's the first step, guys. So just go like this. Show your right leg forward. Fall to the back. Then backwards. Tell me the reason why. That's the first step, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow the leg count, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go. Tell me the reason why. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me the reason why. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I follow you guys. Let's go. Let me come closer for you guys to get the concept. Look at the leg, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Tell me the reason why. Listen, guys. So it's tell me the reason why. Now the next step is this one is my line 3 times. So it's tell me the reason why. 1, 2, 3. So it's tell me the reason why. Swallow it down. So it's tell me the reason why. Go down. This one is my life. 3 times. So let's go, guys, from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me the reason why. Swallow it. This one is my life. 3 times. Let's go again. From the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Tell me the reason why. Swallow it. This one is my life. Go. Then, once you are done with the 3 bound, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do this. 1, 2, so follow me, guys. Let's go to the last step. From the beginning, 5, 6, 7, go. Tell me the reason why. Solid. This one is my life. Go. So you bounce once and turn. 1, turn. 1, turn. The bouncing right leg is going forward. So it's 1, turn. Listen, once you turn, you kick back. You kick back and you face the front. Face the other side, sorry, not the front. You kick back, you face, you kiss. So it's kick back, turn, drop the right leg, you kiss your left leg, going back. 5, 6, 7, go. Tell me the reason why. Kiss. Sorry. Tell me the reason why. Sorry. This one is my go. The reason is my I sing, guys. 5, 6, 7, go. Tell me the reason why. Sorry. This one is my life. Go. My kick, kiss, twist, eat. So once you kick back, drop, you kiss. As your leg is dropping, you do crisscross, then you hit to the side. You squeeze, hit. What's happening? Your back is following you forward. So it's crisscross, hit. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me the reason why. This one is my life. Oh, I think guys, once you hit like this, the next step to do, before you hit, the next step to do is you jump to the side, you jump back. Please. Back, baby, back, baby. What do you do, guys? Let's go up to this extent. 5, 6, 7, go. Tell me the reason why. Swallow. This song is mine. Go. I think, guys, so it's. I think I taught this dance in. This is my previous tutorial. I don't know. I'll drop it in. I'll link it in the. One of the videos at the end of this video. So those videos that will pop up at your screen at the end of this tutorial, I'll link it there for you to watch it. In case I'll find this step difficult, I'll link it there for you. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, up to that step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me the reason why. Swallow. Swan is my life. Go. I think that. So after I do this 1, 2, next one to do is 1, 2, up, through. Let's go. 1, 2, up, through, hit. 1, 2, up, through, hit. 4 back. Let's go up to that step. Just don't forget to hit. 1, 2, up, through, hit. Let's just up to that extent. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me the reason why. Swallow. This one is my life. Go. Oh, my thing. Go. I think once you 1, 2, up, you through, and you hit. Once you bounce back, the next thing to do after bouncing back is do 1, 2. This step is easy, guys. Just carry your hands up. Raise one leg. 1, drop it. 2, facing side. Is 1, 2, 1, 2. We're doing it just twice, so you guys will get familiar with the dance step. 1, 2. So this hand is facing this leg. 1, 2. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Tell me the reason why. This one is my life. Oh my inner. Oh inner. Oh inner. Oh inner. Go. 1, 2. Guys, see it. 1, 2. So after I do this, 1, 2. Let's have to do this too. 1, 2. Step to the side. Step to the side. Step to the side. Step to the side. I think, guys. Step to the side. Step to the side. Step to the side. Step to the side. Let's go from the start. This is the last step to the side. Step to the side. After this step, just run to one corner of the wall and do 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Tell me the reason why. This one is my life. Oh my inner. Oh inner. I think my inner. Oh inner. Go. Inner. Go to the side. 1, 2. So that is dance tutorial, guys. That is the full dance tutorial, guys, for you to know what is trending. Davido and Omah Lay jam. Currently trending. I didn't call the name for you guys to see at the beginning of this video. Davido and Omah Lay jam trending right now. So if you are watching up to this extent, comment your name in the comment section. Just drop your name and tell me I stayed up to the end, and I'll give you a shout out, guys. I'll definitely give you a shout out if you comment your name at the end of this video. So let's go. Let's dance one more time before we end this video for you guys. So everybody that's been following dance up to this extent, let's go one more time. So you can play the music in your background for you to be able to get the full vibe. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Tell me the reason why it's on his mind. Oh, you know. Oh, you know, you know. Oh, you know, you know. Oh, you know. Oh, you know. Oh, you know. La Purina, 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 oh, vida, vida, oh, so guys, that is the dance tutorial for you guys. In case you like this video, please drop a like for me. Subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe down below. Comment whatever you think. Share to anyone that you want to watch this video. Just share to anyone you like for you to see this video. And don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. Remember, I told you guys that I will be linking one of the steps in one of my videos over here for you guys to watch. This particular one, I'll link it for you guys to watch. So don't forget to watch 2 videos over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.